Hi, I'm Sarah, and one of the things I love about living in California is that year-round I get to enjoy locally grown, organically grown, fresh produce right here at my farmer's market. Every week I'm heartened to see how many people in my neighborhood also want to buy locally grown organic produce. But there is a dark underbelly to the farmer's market. Every week I am dismayed to see how many plastic bags are being used. People are conscious about their health, they're buying organic, they're buying locally grown, yet there seems to be an unconscious usage of plastic bags. Some people do bring their own canvas bags, but they're still grabbing plastic bags to put the produce into and then putting the plastic bags into the canvas bags, totally defeating the point of bringing their own bags. I think people don't realize that bringing your own bag is one of the easiest things you can do to help fight global warming. A few months ago, I decided I will not use any more disposable bags. I got my own reusable ones, and I haven't had to use a disposable bag in 4 months.
Thank you very much.
Oh, I don't need a bag. Thank you. I have my own. Thank you. Okay. It's really easy once you get in the habit of it, and I just encourage everybody to bring their own bag. Go reusable. If you have reusable bags, you never need a disposable bag again. If I can do it, so can you.